In just 5 minutes you can earn up to $200, and it just start from $200. You can earn up to $250 to $40 in just 5 minutes. What you will do, I will show with detail in this video. For make sure to explain this video, first of all subscribe this channel right now and like this video right now. And yes, in this video I will just show in 5 minutes you can earn up to $200 just in 5 seconds or in 5 minutes only. How you can do that? It's a very simple work. You have to just do copy paste work, and you have not any skill, you have a simple mobile phone, and you can earn up to $200 just by single work. And then you will deliver this order and you will earn up to $250 only in 5 minutes. What you will do, make sure to subscribe this channel right now and also like the video right now. What you will do, I will explain in detail. So here you will just go and search in a Google remove background image, and the first website you can see, you will just click on this website. After that you will come to this website, and without any sign up, without doing anything, you will just upload any image. And when you upload your image, you will just drag your photos here, like I am just seeing the pictures here. I will show you WhatsApp image. This is the image, and you will see that this image is uploading right now. And from this image you can see that everything in the background is removed and only Kathleen is remain. So you will do this work, and after that you will download this image, and after that you will deliver this order to your clients, and you will earn up to $200 just by removing the background. It's a simple work. Without doing anything you can earn up to this. Before I am showing you that from where and how you can get clients, make sure to subscribe and like this video right now. So let me show you that this is a Fiverr, and this is a Fiverr again, another video. And this video I will explain to you that you can earn up to $200 just by doing a simple work. And the simple work is this: you can remove background, and you can see that this seller will remove background and he will charge you $250, and also this one will $240, and this one will $40 just by removing a background. So you can earn up to $400 in 5 minutes just by removing the background. So here you can see that this seller have completed 15 orders in a month, and 15 by 40 each have earned up to $6,000 in a month from just removing the background and using just only this website or this software. Through this software he earned up to $60,000 and $400 per order without doing just copy paste work. So if you earn the same, go link, click on the description I have given in the description, and you will be sign up for a Fiverr. After that you will create your gigs, and after that come to this website. Without sign up, sign in, you can use this website and you can remove background of any image, any video, and you will after that download this image, and you will deliver your order to the client, and you will get $200 to $400 without doing anything. So make sure to subscribe the channel right now.